Hi, my name is Ivana and on this channel I make lifestyle and personal development videos. In this video I'm going to show you everything that I'm packing to come with me on a road trip actually to a tiny house in the countryside of India. It is my first time making such a trip and I'm so excited, so this is everything that I packed. I'm going to be packing in this soft bag, but it is actually quite a big bag. It is ideal for vacations where you just want to take a little bit more than carry-on luggage, but then obviously not a full-on suitcase. I bought this one in the US for I think $70, still one of the best purchases until today because it serves me really well. So this bag has a top compartment with over here a mesh compartment. Then we have two side compartments over here. There is a top compartment for all your clothes and stuff, and then there is also a zippable under compartment where you can put, for instance, your toiletries or I'm bringing a face mask over here, face mask powder, but also your shoes. And I have a pair of chappal slippers over here that I already put in. And then I can actually continue packing this part. Obviously, I am bringing a book. I'm also bringing a mosquito spray. Obviously, if you're going more into the countryside, you will encounter mosquitoes. Then I have a very, very basic makeup over here. Literally, it's just mascara, some concealer, a little bit of powder, lip balm, nothing fancy, just to look a little bit more awake. I actually made a video about my basic makeup, so if you would like to see that one, I will link it down in the description below. Then of course I'm adding my toothbrush and toothpaste in a separate pouch. By using separate pouches you can really ensure hygiene. I'm going to put all the shoes on this side. Actually, I'm not even bringing many shoes, I'm just bringing these slippers. But yeah, I use a lot of these bags, pouches, whatever, to ensure things to be hygienic. A couple more toiletries over here. So I have obviously some sunscreen, deodorant, body lotion, makeup remover wipes, face wash, you know, just the basics over here, but I definitely do need them. Then I'm going to be putting that one over there. Obviously my lens solution. One time I forgot my lens solution while I traveled. It was not fun, so now it's one of the first things that I pack actually. And then I have some of my hair essentials over here. So yeah, just some hair ties, a brush, nothing fancy in there. Oh, this is quite fancy, I have to say, and I showed this last time as well. These are fairy lights, which are battery operated, and I really like them if you like to click some pictures, or actually if you're going on a romantic getaway, then fairy lights operated by batteries are ideal to spice up this place. So putting those in, and that is it actually for the things which are not clothes. All right, I can zip up the bottom compartment like this and then continue with the clothes. This is so ideal because when you're traveling, if everything is just in one compartment, it can get quite unhygienic if your shoes start traveling around, but also it is so unorganized. That's why I really, really love this bag with the bottom compartment, the top compartment, the side compartments, the mesh compartment. Love compartments. Starting out with socks and underwear. I'm gonna put that in the side compartment over here so I can easily find them. And then I have actually a fancy dress over here. I'm bringing a maxi dress. And actually I also need to pack a steamer for this one, but I can't find it right now. I'll find it later. This is a long maxi dress in case I want to click some nice pictures or just, you know, get a little bit more fancy, because you never know when you feel like dressing up, and I really like to have one nice dress with me. So I'm actually going to put that one on the side. Then over here we have all my sleeping clothes, pajamas and stuff, you know. Especially if you're going to the countryside, bring a lot of layers. So over here I have a jumper, I have nice fluffy pajama bottoms, I have a t-shirt, and I have a sports bra. I think this is enough layering. At least I hope it's enough layering, because the countryside can get really cold at night. Then I have a whole set of clothes here which are a complete outfit or can be layered, whatever I would need. So I have an extra t-shirt here, I have a hoodie, I have a long sleeve, and I have joggers over here. I'm guessing you're seeing a color theme because everything is lilac. I am still obsessed with every shade or hue of lilac. So yeah, this is, you know, for traveling back or in case I needed to dress a little bit warmer. That's awesome. Okay, got that in there. And then this one is actually going to be really, really wonderful in the car for the road trip. This is actually a neck pillow, but it is one that you wrap around your neck, and there is this hard part over here which really supports your neck better than the regular pillows. So I really, really like this one, and I take it with me everywhere, on flights, on planes, on boats. It's the best travel pillow that I have found, and there's some Bambi hairs on it. All right, and that is everything. In case you're wondering why you're bringing such a big bag, well, because I don't like things to be cramped, and I figured my carry-on suitcase, the smaller one, would get really, really cramped already with like these two. So I figured, you know what? I'm going by car anyways. There's plenty of space. Why not have space in my luggage as well? That way things get a lot less disorganized, and also it's just nicer with packing, right? If you have some space and you don't have to cramp everything in there. So that is a big bag. Something that I also wanted to show you, especially for a road trip, and also especially if you're going glamping, camping to a tiny home like me, the food. This is the food bag. So I got food in here for the road trip and also for staying there, because there is a fully operational kitchen. So I also have some foods that can be easily made over there. So first of all, of course, a big water bottle. I love to add a little bit of lemon juice to my water, so I would really recommend that for a refreshing beverage on the road. And then we have the plain Lay's classic salted chips. I am such a basic bee when it comes down to chips. This is absolutely my favorite one. And then we have, well, one lost Cadbury chocolate biscuit that I found in the cabinet, and one rice cracker over here. These are sweet and salty at the same time. It's a very, very interesting mix. 10/10 can recommend them. You can just buy them on Big Basket. Love these rice crackers, especially as a travel snack. Then we have these Chai Point ginger turmeric cookies. I love these. They are sweet but not too sweet. They kind of feel healthy, and they're very filling actually. So really like these with a cup of chai. Speaking of chai, I am actually traveling these days with my own ginger powder. Yes, you heard that right. These days I am mostly drinking ginger pani, which is hot water with ginger, but obviously I'm not going to be traveling with fresh ginger, and then actually ginger powder works really well. So I just put this in hot water to give it some flavor, and then that is my chai. Of course, I can't travel without any chocolate. This one is really nice, Dairy Milk Silk Oreo. And what do I have here? Oh, this is actually also for making like plain tea chai. These cinnamon sticks, you just put them in hot water, or actually like a small piece, and then you have caffeine-free tea. In case you don't know, I don't drink caffeine anymore, so I can't have black tea. But yeah, I manage with the ginger powder and these cinnamon sticks. And then of course, Maggie. This is like the easiest meal to make whenever you're traveling. So obviously a pack of Maggie is coming along, and then also 2 packs of milk, because Milk Maggie is the best lunch, dinner, breakfast, whatever in the world. So also packing 2 liters of milk. The thing is, we're in the middle of nowhere, so I don't know where to buy even like milk or eggs or those kind of things. So I'd rather just bring it with me and be stress-free. So this is all that is going in the food bag. The place does provide meals, but then of course if you want some extra meals or snacks, you have to bring it along yourself. And that is exactly what I always do. I don't depend on places for my food. I always bring food along with me. And I'm bringing it in this very, very cute tompoes, which is a Dutch pastry bag from the Dutch chain Hema. I think it's super, super cute how they printed all the pastries over here. Not sure if Hema still sells these, but if you're visiting the Netherlands, do check it out. This was just €1, and I've been using this bag for years. 10/10 can recommend it. What do you think? Am I bringing way too much stuff with me, or do you have some things that I missed? Let me know down in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to put a thumbs up, and of course you can consider subscribing to my channel and joining 3,000 other subscribers. It's free, and you'll get a notification whenever I upload a new video. For now, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.